happiness loves a party. The trash bags in my mind make the bags grow under my eyes. Oh, I don't want to leave you, but you're so far behind. Oh, why did you die? She's the blue bird of Skyland. The bluebirds back home, they cry, oh, they cry, for their din they lead up the country, and no one quite knows why. But the bags, oh, the bags, grow under my eyes. Oh, just the blue bird of Skyland, the blue birds back home. They cry and they cry, yes, they cry. I'm alone and I'd rather stay that way, for the evil constellations rule the sky, and the old man at the table, he and I, we will die, but the blue bird of Skyland will live on. Yo, my name's Bob Drythroat Waits. Looking around this town, I see artistic deadbeats. Some are people with jobs but no drive. Others have drive but no jobs. I associate not with the common man but the uncommon man, a man whose life is ruled by the power of the comma, the unknown excitement of what comes next. From the moment the umbilical cord is cut, the commas cruise out, cursing satisfaction but embracing joy, without a thought of euthanasia. We enshrine existence and eradicate anything that is less than exuberance. We are never satisfied, but we are always grateful for what we have. I say the uncommon man, but the truest man is the woman. For without women there could be no human. Call me feminist, I'm a humanist, liberal, conservative. If it's inhumane, I ain't standing for it, but if it serves the people, common or uncommon, then hell's a poppin'. Make way for the new law, you know what I'm saying? The New World Order is more humane than any Orwellian pig farm or blown-up train in Spain. My unseen friends and I occupy apartments with the eight-legged octopi, otherwise known as Tom. Tom is the master of guitar riffs. Lick the philosophical phobias out of the enemies of Freud. Tell them it isn't about penis, murder, or incest, but rather it's about what we dare not say and dare not think. Yo, my name is Bob Drythroat Waits. I'm a musician, like Tom, but also not like Tom. Like I'm from a different world, although I guess we all are. I'm a singer, okay? I sing songs that are not real but imaginary, or perhaps they're real because they're imaginary. I hear the music dying. Don McLean wasn't lying, but he ain't no prophet either. He was just stating the obvious. Blind fools that are not blind but are unkind, messing with commercialism, serenading sanity. I want to ride on political unicorns into a sky full of Skittles as cranberry juice pours onto the city below. I see these artistic deadbeats, and it makes me sick with hunger. Forget my coffee. I want to drink the numb thoughts of the satisfied customer. Oh, misery loves company, but happiness loves loves a party. The trash bags in my mind make the bags grow under my eyes.